Zhejiang KANGERLE Electronics Company Limited was founded in Yueqing City in 1993, covering an area of 20,000 square meters. Our main products are micro switches, waterproof switches, and push-button switches. Our superior production equipment, advanced technology, and excellent inspection equipment guarantee the stability and reliability of our switches. Our total monthly production reaches more than 50 million pieces. With the rapid development over 30 years, our company now has a team of experienced and efficient professionals of over 10 engineers, 12 technicists, and 20 senior managers. Keep improving switch quality and realizing factory automation is always our goal. To provide customers with satisfactory switch solutions, KANGERLE Electronics has been committed to the research and development of factory automation. Now we have fully automatic production lines and adopt a dynamic data visualization monitoring system to strictly control each process. Professional laboratories has been established that meet CQC, UL, equipped with visual AC and DC endurance testing equipment. KANGERLE can provide reliable and valid test results for meeting the customer's requirements. KANGERLE has passed ISO 9001:2015 and IATF 16949:2016 quality management system. Meanwhile, our switches have UL, TUV, CB, CE, CQC, ROS, and so on. We hereby welcome our customers at home and abroad to cooperate with us for a better future.